Hi viewers, welcome all to our YouTube channel Learn and Grow ST Knowledge Corner. Today we are going to discuss about the 18 elements of PPAP. In my previous video I have shared the part 1, this is part 2. PPAP is nothing but production part approval process. The first 9 elements we were already discussed in previous video and balance 9 elements we are going to discuss here. In our today's topic we are going to discuss about the records of material or performance test, initial process studies, qualified laboratory documentations, appearance approval report, sample production parts, master sample, checking aids, customer specific requirements, part submission warrant. The 10th element is records of material or performance test. In this element, it should contain the design verification plan as well as the design verification report. In design verification plan and design verification report, it should contain the validation for each and every test which we conducted for the particular product which we developed, and also the test results of each and every test performed for the particular product. In this section, it also includes the copies of all test certificates, documentations. For example, if we use the steels or material raw material, uh, it should have a chemical properties as well as the mechanical properties also. Those contents all available in the test reports of plus steel. If it is plastic, the same material content we need to refer here. And the material certification also should show the compliance to the specific call on the print. The 11th element of PPAP is initial process studies. The initial process study which we need to do for all the production processes which is involved in the particular product, and also we need to do the statistical process control charts for critical characteristics which is identified for the particular product which we developed. In this study, it also demonstrates the critical processes are stable, and it also demonstrates the normal variations are running near to the intended nominal value. Usually, the critical characteristics are identified during the control plan determination as well as the production PFMA phases. So, those characteristics we need to do the SPC. The 12th element of PPAP is qualified laboratory documentations. It consists of all the industry certifications for any lab that was involved in completing validation test. The validation test could be done in our in-house lab or in-house test facility or any offsite test facilities. After completion of test, we can get the certifications for the particular test which we conducted for the particular product. The 13th element of PPAP is appearance approval report. The appearance approval inspection is applicable for the component which is affecting the aesthetic point of view. In this report, it verifies that the customer has inspected the final product and it also meets the required appearance specifications as per the design record. The appearance requirement should cover the color, textures and the appearance, etc. 14th element of PPAP is sample production parts. The sample production parts are sent to our customer for approval, are typically stored at either customer or supplier sites after the product development is complete. The 15th element of PPAP is master sample. The master sample is a final sample of the product that is inspected and signed off by the customer. This sample is going to be used to train our operators, and it is the benchmark for comparison in case of any quality defects arises during our mass production or standard production. The 16th element of PPAP is checking aids. The checking aids is nothing but it should consist of all the inspection instruments which is used to inspect, test or measure the parts during the assembly process. In this list, it should also describes the tools and the calibration schedule for the tool which is used to inspect the part. Checking aids may also include the checking fixture, variable or attribute gauges, models or templates, etc. Sometimes the checking aids also have a MSA study based on the customer requirements. The 17th element of PPAP is customer specific requirement. In this element, the submission of package is where any special customer requirements are contained, it needs to be considered here. Last and final element of PPAP is path submission warrant. Path submission warrant, we shortly call it as PSW. PSW is a form. It is used to summarize the entire PPAP submission. A PSW is required for each of part number unless otherwise stated by the customer. It includes the reason for the submission, design change or annual revalidations or engineering change or process change, etc. The PSW includes the level of document submitted to the customer and a declaration of the part conformity to the customer requirement, a section provided for the any record explanations or comments, supplier authorized person signature along with the contact informations, an area for the customer to indicate the dispositions of the PPAP. For more details about the PSW and PPAP submission level, you could find the link in our description box. We have already posted one video about the PPAP submission level. Thank you for watching our channel. Have a nice day.